Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 17th of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. I'm going to look at dollar yen now, and dollar yen sort of has been consolidating. Last 3 days basically gone nowhere. Pretty much closing around where the open is, consolidation. Last 3 days in a row. Certainly another market that's looking towards the Fed, but just in the last few minutes really we've started to see the dollar yen pushing slightly higher. It is trading in this sort of band of resistance, 123.50 towards 124 figure, and it is slightly pushing higher. This is the hourly chart. This is obviously showing basically gone nowhere for 3 days, but slightly swung to the upside. Although it'll be interesting to see if that continues, because obviously we saw this yesterday. Saw this happen yesterday. It actually peaked out just under 23.80 again. 23.80 coming as the initial resistance in this band. And it'll be interesting to see if it breaks through that. But 24.12 is that spike high that we saw on Thursday last week, and I think it'll be very interesting to see if dollar yen can break above that, because I don't think it will. I think it's likely just to settle down once again in front of this FOMC meeting. There's nothing really that's going to drive dollar yen higher, I don't think, and I think that the only real suggestion would be a move away from the yen. I just don't see that happening in front of the FOMC. I think it's going to be I think it's just going to start to settle back down again. But I think the FOMC will drive this dollar yen chart. I think as a general rule, without the FOMC in place tonight, I think that dollar yen is still slightly corrective, really, looking at these moving momentum indicators, which are sort of still in slightly corrective mode, although as this yen price, as the dollar yen has started to strengthen a little bit today, it's started to just pick up these momentum indicators slightly again. However, I think you're still in a minorly corrective mode. You're still underneath, as I said, this resistance band, which slightly suggests to me that you're still in an element of sort of rolling mode, and you could well see a further retracement back towards 50% of that move, which comes in at 22.35, and also that big breakout support now at 22 figure. So I still see that happening, but dollar yen will be driven significantly, I think, obviously also by this FOMC meeting tonight. So I think with that in mind, I think you've got to be sitting sort of broadly on the fence, I think, ahead of that FOMC meeting, and then take your views after that. But I think it could well be a bit of not a choppy day, but a day that ultimately will settle down. And I think this, I don't see this move in the last few hours as going very far before it starts to meet resistance and falls back again. Anyway, that's my opinion on dollar yen, and I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.